Which of the following complexes formed by Cu2 positive ions is most stable? Okay, so we have been given with four equations, four reactions kind of a thing, and their corresponding log K value. Okay, now what do you mean by this log K values? Over here, K refers to the stability constant. K refers to what? The stability constant. Clear hai? Okay. Now what do you mean by stability constant over here? Remember one thing, कि stability of a coordination compound, इसका मतलब होता है the degree of association between the two species involved in the state of equilibrium. So the magnitude of equilibrium constant for the association, if I talk about, it actually expresses the stability. Suppose अगर मैं ये reaction ले रही हूँ m plus 4 times of L giving me ML4. Clear? तो यहाँ stability constant K क्या है? It will be equals to the concentration of ML4 by the concentration of M into the concentration of L raised to power 4. Is the thing clear? हाँ राखी मैम, absolutely right. एक मिनट रुक जाइए. Yes. So it's ML4 by concentration of M by concentration of L raised to power 4. So the higher the value of stability constant, the higher the value of stability constant, the higher is the proportion of ML4 that exists in the solution. Absolutely right. So if I talk about in terms of thermodynamic stability, the extent to which the complex will be formed or will be transformed into another species at the point of equilibrium, it is determined by thermodynamic stability. Talking about kinetic stability, it helps in determining the speed with which the transformation occurs to attain the state of equilibrium. ठीक है, सो यहाँ मैं सिर्फ एक ही बात आप लोगों को कहना चाहूँगी. Over here for this particular question, greater is the value of log K, greater will be the stability of the complex compound formed. Clear है? So for the reaction Cu2 positive plus 4 times of Cn negative, that is going to give us CuCN4 2 negative. Log K की value 27.3 है. So for this reaction log K has the highest value among the given 4 reactions. So K will also be higher among these 4. अगर log K की वैल्यू हायर है तो K की भी वैल्यू सबसे ज़्यादा इसी पर्टिकुलर सेकेंड इक्वेशन सेकेंड रिएक्शन के लिए होगी. दैट इज द स्टेबिलिटी ऑफ द कॉम्प्लेक्स विल बी हाइएस्ट among these 4 complexes is option number 2 the right answer for the question.